Samsung may have just shown the future of foldable phones, and it could directly impact Apple's first foldable iPhone. At CES 2026 in Las Vegas, Samsung revealed a new foldable display that solves one of the biggest problems in foldable devices today: the visible crease. This reveal quickly caught attention after well-known leaker Ice Universe shared details online, calling the display quality excellent and confirming that it even uses under-display camera technology. The crease has been a long-standing issue with foldable phones. On book-style foldables like the Galaxy Z Fold series, the crease runs vertically down the middle of the display. On flip-style phones, it runs horizontally across the center. While some users learn to ignore it when looking straight at the screen, the crease is still there. You can feel it when sliding your finger across the display, and from certain angles, it becomes very noticeable. This has made foldables feel less premium than regular smartphones, even with their high prices. The display Samsung showed at CES appears to eliminate this issue entirely. According to reports, the screen did not show any crease at all, even when viewed from the side. That is a major breakthrough. Some sources say Samsung achieved this by using a laser-drilled metal plate inside the display. This plate helps the screen fold in a more controlled way, preventing the crease from forming. If this technology is ready for mass production, it could change how people view foldable phones. What makes this even more interesting is the strong link to Apple. There has been growing speculation that Apple will use Samsung's display technology for its first foldable phone, widely known as the iPhone Fold. Apple is expected to unveil this device in September 2026, and rumors have already suggested that Apple found a way to either remove the crease completely or reduce it to the point where it is almost invisible. The display shown by Samsung matches that idea perfectly. Another shared feature is the under-display camera. Ice Universe pointed out that Samsung's new foldable panel includes this technology, which hides the camera beneath the screen. The iPhone Fold is also rumored to use an under-display camera for its internal display. This would allow Apple to offer a clean, uninterrupted screen without notches or cutouts, something Apple is known to prioritize in its designs. The iPhone Fold is expected to make some big design changes compared to current iPhones. One major rumor is that Apple will drop Face ID on this device and bring back Touch ID. The fingerprint sensor would be built into the power button, similar to what Apple already uses on the iPad Air and iPad mini. This makes sense for a foldable design, where Face ID could be harder to use at certain angles. There is also talk that Samsung could use this new crease-free display in its own future devices, possibly in a wide fold model. However, Ice Universe believes this would only happen if Samsung's mobile experience division is willing to pay extra for the technology. This suggests the display is expensive and cutting-edge, which again points to Apple as a likely first customer. As for the iPhone Fold itself, rumors paint a picture of a very premium device. It is expected to feature a 5.5-inch cover screen and a large 7.8-inch internal display when unfolded. Powering the device could be a battery between 5,400 and 5,800 mAh, which is quite large for an iPhone. Camera specs are also impressive, with rumors pointing to a 24MP under-display camera inside a hole-punch camera on the cover screen and a dual 40MP camera setup on the back. The price, however, may shock many people. The iPhone Fold is rumored to start at around $2,400, placing it firmly in luxury territory. Apple seems to be positioning this device as a showcase of technology rather than a mass-market phone. Well-known Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has also shared details about the phone's thickness. He expects the iPhone Fold to measure between 9 and 9.5 mm when closed and between 4.5 and 4.8 mm when open. This would make it slightly thicker than Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7, but still thinner than Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold. If Samsung's new display truly delivers on its promise, the iPhone Fold could launch without the biggest drawback foldables have faced for years. That alone could reshape the entire foldable phone market.